A Taylor County woman convicted of murder learned today she will have to wait at least 5 more weeks to find out if she'll get a new trial. A jury found Constance Dean guilty last year in the 2017 shooting death of her husband. Dean claimed her husband shot himself. Prosecutors said the 4 gunshot wounds could not be self-inflicted. Today, Dean and her attorneys asked a judge for a new trial. The judge says a decision, however, won't come until late January. Maggie Fitzgerald was in the courtroom today to learn the latest.
The family of Constance Dean tells me they were optimistic heading into Friday's hearing after several court delays. And while they were hoping for a step forward before the holidays, a judge won't officially consider a retrial until after the new year.
Delayed but not denied, and God has the final say-so.
This morning, family, friends, and supporters of 62-year-old Constance Dean packed the Taylor County Courthouse as the former kindergarten teacher, convicted last year in the 2017 shooting death of her husband Frederick, continues her fight for a new trial.
Whatever it takes to get her back home. We were hoping to have her back home for Christmas. We are ready to have an attorney. We said next week if possible.
Dean's family says they're standing strong, believing flaws in the initial jury selection could change the course of her case. Her original legal team, attorneys Dennis Scheib and Leah Madden, are now challenging what they call a, quote, tainted jury. They say one juror had prior knowledge of the case and even knew people involved in the investigation. They say that violates Dean's right to a fair and impartial trial.
We're going to have another lawyer look at it to make sure there's not a technical problem that will hurt our client, and then the other lawyer may go ahead and question me as far as motion for a new trial.
Because both of Dean's attorneys took part in the jury selection, a new lawyer will be brought in to challenge that jury. Judge Arthur Smith agreed to continue the hearing, setting the next court date for January.
We understand that this is going to be a marathon, not a sprint, but us as the family have the stamina to see this through because she deserves to be free and everybody deserves a free trial, and we will stand right beside her.
In Butler, Maggie Fitzgerald, 13, WMAZ News.
That hearing is set for January 27th at the Taylor County Courthouse.